Hi students, good morning all of you. Today we can discuss subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay, borrowing, or we can call another name regrouping. Okay, that you will understand from one example. You look here, one question: subtract 58 from 72. Okay, we want to subtract 58 from which number? From 72. So how we write that number? First we write this in using subtraction symbol. 72 minus 58. Okay, that we already learned. 72 minus 58. After that we arrange the digits on place values. Okay, so here only two digits, so we can mark ones and tens. Okay, ones and tens. So first number 72. From that 72, which is the ones place digit? Ones place digit is 2. Okay, so 2. We can write here 2. Then tens place digit is 7. So tens place digit is 7. Subtract. Which number we are subtracting? 58. Now in this number 58, the ones place digit is 8, and tens place digit is 5. Okay, then we are subtracting. Now look, so always we are subtracting from top to bottom. Okay, from top to bottom, that is this way we are subtracting from top to bottom. Don't subtract from bottom to top. This is not correct. Don't subtract. You will think this number 2 is less than 8. You look at this number 2 is less than 8. Then how we will subtract 8 from 2? Is it possible? No. So how we can subtract? There is one method. There is a easy way for subtracting that. Here 2 minus 8. If any cases like that, you know it is not possible. That is, from these 2, it is not possible to subtract 8 because 8 is bigger than 2. The number 8 is bigger than 2. So we are doing one method here. Then we take 1. Here, how many tens are here in this number? 7 tens are there. From that 7 tens, we borrow. Borrow, you know, we borrow. Okay, that is correct meaning. From 7 tens, we borrow 1 10. Okay, 1 10 we borrow and give to here. This is one's place. Okay, so from 7 10 we borrow 1 10. So 1 10, you know, 1 10 equal how many ones? 1 10 equal how many ones? 10 ones. 10 ones. Okay, so we are adding that 10 ones with these 2 ones. Clear? That 10 ones we are adding with these 2 ones. Here already have 2 ones, and with that 2 ones we are adding 1 10. 1 10 means, you know, 1 10 means 10 ones. That ones, 10 ones we are adding with these 2 ones. Total how many tens are there? 2 ones plus 10 ones. 12 ones. So we just strike these 2 and we write here how many ones we got? Yes, 12 ones. Okay, and you know we borrowed from this 7 tens 1 10. So how many tens remains there? From 7 10, if we borrow 1 10, there remains only 6 tens. Okay, so we can cut this 7 and we can write here 6. Clear? So then we subtracting using normal method. From 12 we want to subtract 8. Now we are subtracting 12 minus 8. That subtraction we already know. So how we subtract? After 8, next number is 9, then 10, 11, 12. We counted 4. Okay, so 12 minus 8 is 4. Now Here next, how many tens are there? 6 tens. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, we know that is 1. So what is the answer? 72 minus 58, we got the answer 14. Okay, this way we want to subtract. If any subtraction like this, that is here when we subtract 2 minus 8, it is not possible to subtract 8 from 2. That times we borrowing tens from the next digit. So here already have 7 tens. From that 7 tens we borrowed 1 10. And that 1 10 we convert that into ones. 1 10 we know that is 10 ones. That 10 ones plus 2 ones we will get 12 ones. Okay. So from and here remains only 6 tens. Then subtract 12 minus 8. We got 4. 6 minus 5. We got 1. So the answer is 14. Just like on another question you look. Now another 3-digit number we can take. Okay. One 3-digit number subtraction we can take. Subtract 684 from 973. Same method. Okay. So listen here. How many digits are there? 3 digits. In both number there are 3 digits. So from which number we are subtracting? From 973. So we write, this time we can write first 973 minus 684. Okay. So after that we arrange these numbers in columns. So for that first we arrange that numbers in their place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, first number we will write 973. So 973. Ones place 3, tens place digit 7 and hundred place digit is 9. Minus 684. 4, 8, 6. Then we are subtracting. Okay. Now first subtraction, we are starting subtraction from which place? Yeah, ones place. Here first subtraction is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Here also the number 4 is bigger than 3. So it is not possible subtract 3 minus 4. Okay. All of you want to care one thing. Most of you made this type mistake. That is common mistake happened for more students. That don't repeat like that. If you got this type of question, someone will do like this. 4 minus 3. They will do the subtraction 4 minus 3. Is it possible? No. Only we want to subtract from top to bottom. Always we are subtracting from top to bottom. Okay. So 3 minus 4 only we can subtract. Don't subtract 4 minus 3. And they will write to 1 as answer. It is very wrong. So in this case also we want to subtract 3 minus 4. Okay. So we know 4 is bigger than 3. So it is not possible to subtract 3 minus 4. So what we will do? We want to borrow or regroup from these 7 tens. From these 7 tens we borrow 1 10. Okay, 1 10. And 1 10 we know how many ones? 1 10 equals 10 ones. That 10 ones add with these 3 ones. 10 plus 3 we know that is 13. So 3 strike and write here 13. And how much remains here? When we borrowed 1 10 from this 7, here remains only 6 tens. So strike 7 and write here 6. Okay, now we are subtracting 13. First one's place subtraction is 13 minus 4. To subtract 13 minus 4, we started counting from after 4, which is the next number? 5. So count from 5 onwards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers we took? 9 fingers. So what will be the answer of 13 minus 4? 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay. Just like next subtraction is, now we got here 6. 6 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 6 minus 8? That also it is not possible because 8 is bigger than 6. So from hundreds place we can borrow 100. Okay, and add with this we will get how much? 1. So instead of 6 we can write here 16 tens. How many tens we got now? Here already have 6 tens. Now totally we will get 16 tens. And here remains cut 9 and here remains how many hundreds? Only 8 hundreds. Okay. Now subtract 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 we know. Count after 8. Next number is 9. From 9 to 16 you want to count. How many fingers we will get? All of you try. We will get 8. 16 minus 8 will get 8. Now here how many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 you know that is 2. So what is the answer we got? 289. Okay, one more question we can discuss. If anybody have doubts, you can clear your doubts. One question. Subtract 389 from 790. Okay. Subtract 389 from 790. Now, here also we write this number as 790 minus 389. Okay. Now, arrange this in column wise in the place values. So, ones, tens and hundreds. First number is 790. Ones place 0, tens place 9, hundreds place 7. And second number 389. Ones place is 9, tens place 8 and hundreds place is 3. Now we are subtracting. First we subtract the ones. Ones place 0 minus 9. Is it possible 0 minus 9? No. So here also we want to regroup or borrow. Okay. From the next place we borrowed 110. Okay. From 9 tens we took 110 here and add with this 0 ones. So how much we will get? Yeah, 10 itself. And here remains, okay, 9 minus 1, 8. Okay. Then first subtraction 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 you know. Yes, 1. And 8 minus 8. From 8 we subtracted 8. Totally 8 we subtracted. How much remains? Yeah, 0. Then last subtraction 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Here 3 is smaller than 7. So we can directly subtract. 7 minus 3. Okay, 7 minus 3 you know. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 4. So what is the answer got? 401. Is it clear? If any doubts, you can call me and clear your doubts. Okay. And I will give some homeworks in the notebook and also in the textbook. All of you want to do and send your answers. Okay. Within 2 days, all of you complete that homeworks and send that answers to your maths teacher. Okay. Thank you.